My name is Kenneth Barnett, and I am the Computerized Manufacturing and Machining Instructor here at the Round campus of Maysville Community and Technical College. This is my 12th year as instructor of this program. I'm actually a product of this program. I went to school here, started in 1998, graduated in 2000. The Computerized Manufacturing and Machining program is considered to be a high-wage, high-demand field, and our students qualify for the Kentucky Work Ready Scholarship. So I get calls all the time from companies looking for skilled workers. I get calls from Stober Drives in Maysville, KDMK, Precision Resource, and GLC Industries in Mount Sterling. I get calls from Lockheed Martin in Lexington, Kentucky. Normally these jobs will start out in the range of $40,000 per year and up. If you come to this program, there's a job waiting for you out there. We have near 100% job placement in this program. First year students start out by taking a fundamentals of machining class, and they take a blueprint reading class, and they take a precision measurement class. They start very basic, learning how to operate the machines, calculating proper speeds and feeds for different types of materials. And then each semester after that, we build upon those fundamentals. Students very quickly get into programming the CNC equipment. We then move into the computer lab where they learn to use the 2 and 3D CAD and CAM software, where eventually we learn to take that program out to the CNC machine and make a finished product. They draw it in a 2-dimensional, and they select each feature that they're going to do machining on, and go in and tell it how fast you want to run, how much you want to take per pass, all that information. And we can also simulate it here. And if you see a problem in here on this, then you will definitely have a problem out at the machine. This is a program that a student did in the CMM 134 class, where we do our CAD and CAM and G-code programming. So here's where it starts with your 2D drawing and adding the features and making all the adjustments to the program. And once we have this completed, we're ready to take it out to the machine. This is our finished product of the CAM drawing that you've seen in the computer lab. For more information, please contact Kenneth Barnett at kenneth.barnett@kctcs.edu, or you can reach me at 606-336-4802. If you are interested in the Computerized Manufacturing and Machining program, now is the time to get in touch with me and schedule a tour, get you registered for fall classes.